I got an air conditioning unit for my single dad friend for his kid's apartment and we installed it. Even though the apartment is in the basement of a 1970s home, it still worked just fine. This is a 3-in-1 combo, so you have the option for a fan, AC, or dehumidification. It can cool up to 750 square feet, and it is also energy efficient. It has an auto swing feature, which helps for air distribution. You essentially just set your ideal temperature and it'll take it down to that temperature and turn off automatically when it gets there. There are so many more added details that I can't mention in this video, otherwise it would be too long. So if you want more details, the link will be in the bottom left corner. This is a great unit. We highly recommend. Link in the bottom left corner.